Hi everybody, I'm Susan Hay, and I've been involved with Reach for the Rainbow for many years now because I firmly believe that every child needs to belong and to be given the chance to explore and to learn and to grow in an inclusive, safe environment. Reinforcing acceptance and recognizing abilities is truly what Reach for the Rainbow is all about. I'd like to invite you now to meet one of Reach for the Rainbow's many faces of love, the adorable Sydney Weaver. How much did you love camp this year?
I loved it so much.
What camp did you go to?
Cave Springs.
And why was it so special to you?
Because I got to do something that I think was very fun for me because I don't get to do it that often. I went on the high rope course.
Were you afraid?
No, it was kind of nice because I was up high and I was in on my chair. It was just very nice.
You've been going to camps through Reach for the Rainbow for the last 3 years.
Yes.
And when you first went, you were only 6.
Yeah.
What was that experience like for you?
It was a little bit scary, but I know it was in a safe place and I know it was in a fun environment. And I had lots of kids around me and I knew I was safe.
How important do you think it is to leave mommy and daddy for a week or 2 and be on your own, supported by people from Reach for the Rainbow at camp?
I think it's very important because as I get older, I need that independence, and I think it's just nice that I get a break from them so our relationships can grow.
When you're at camp, do you feel just like every other kid? Do you feel included?
Always, and if I don't feel, I always tell them, and because maybe I know ways that they don't, so I can be included, and they always make sure I'm included.
What are some of the difficulties that you go through on a daily basis that people may not know?
I think some of the biggest challenges are maybe getting around sometimes at camp, because maybe there's a hill that I can't go up and I have to take a longer route. But my helper always makes sure I'm having fun with it.
What does Reach for the Rainbow mean to you?
Reach for the Rainbow means a lot to me and my family because I think a lot of kids get to experience what I get to experience, but I think there's still a lot of kids out there that need that help and should get to go to camp. And it's really important to my parents because they get some time alone too. So.
I don't think anybody wants to be away from you too long, sweetheart.
Aww.
Now, when you came back from camp, you got a big surprise. You got a brand new bike. How important is that bike to you?
It's really important to me because I get to be like every other kid. I can ride down the sidewalks. I can go with my dad to the store and buy some candy and be like every other kid.
It allows you to get out of this wheelchair.
It allows me to get out of the chair. Yes, there it is. And I get treated like every other kid, which I should be. So I think it's nice, and the good thing about it is I can pedal it.
Do you know how extra special you are to all of us? At 9 years old, you have touched so many hearts. I just want you to know how extra special you are to all of us.
Thank you, Sensei.
Reach for the Rainbow is a charity that provides integrated recreational programs for children and youth with disabilities. With over 55 partner camps in Ontario, 700 participants, and the ability to facilitate over 125,000 hours, or $1.5 million, of respite to parents in July and August alone, Reach for the Rainbow serves as a vital part of the lives of families with children that have disabilities. Support Reach for the Rainbow, give the gift of belonging, and make a difference in a child's life. Thank you so much for joining us tonight.